Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to enable live captions on Windows. Now there are three major ways you can enable live captions. We have via quick settings, and through the keyboard shortcut. I'll start with quick settings. Before we continue, note that live actions is kind of only possible for now for Windows 11. I'm using a Windows 10, that's why I can actually show you how to do it, but I can tell you how to do it, so if you follow the steps you'll be able to do it. The first thing is open your quick settings by clicking the action center icon. This is this action center icon down here. So you click on this and then you have some options here, and you should be able to see live action among it. As you can see, I don't have the option, but if you're using Windows 11, the option will be there. So you find and click the live option, caption, and then toggle the switch to on. The next way you can use is via settings. So when you open up your settings by pressing the Windows key and I, you click on accessibility in the left hand menu. Select captions. Under the hearing section, you will select captions and toggle live caption on. I have something similar, but it's not live caption, it's just normal one. Let me show you what I mean. So, but mine is through, if I remember, it's through ease of access. Then I click the other here where I have closed caption. You can see hearing, closed caption. We have it here. Now, but using Windows 11, it will not be under this. It will not be like this. You see it after the opening settings. You see accessibility from the left hand side, and then you'll be able to choose captions under the hearing, similar to mine, but instead of accessibility, mine is ease of access. Then the next thing you're going to do, you're going to see the option for turn on live caption. As you can see, I don't have any option like that. Mine is a closed caption, not a live caption. And then you can also personalize it. If you have live action, just toggle the live action switch to the on position, and then you personalize your caption by changing the appearance, by adjusting the color, the transparency, the style, the size, the effect. You can also change the caption background by adding a text background to improve the contrast and make the text easier to read. You can change the color of the background, the transparency of the background. You can also dim the window content, add a text background to improve contrast and make the text easier to read, the window color and the transparency. So to make a device easier to use without sound by displaying your audio as your text. So don't forget, you can also use the Windows shortcut, which is the Windows key, Control key, and the L key to quickly turn live captions on and off. Live captions does require internet connection for optimal performance. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.